Mairead McErlean, a senior litigator at Debenhams Ottaway and St Albans. This is another in our Directors Q&A series for companies in crisis. I've been asked, I've signed personal guarantees, what happens now? What's the effect of the company's insolvency on these? So, first of all, the bad news is that the lender is likely to pursue you personally under the personal guarantee that you've signed. What you need to do is, first of all, check the validity of the guarantee. Was it properly executed at the time? Does it apply to the money which the lender is currently trying to recover? Has it been terminated or varied in the interim period? You then have to look at whether the lender is able to enforce the personal guarantee. This is very much dependent on the content of the guarantee itself. So you need to look at the steps that the guarantee requires the lender to take in order to be able to enforce it against you personally. Some personal guarantees allow the lender to elect whether to pursue the company or to pursue you, whereas others require the lender to complete a process against the company before they are able to pursue you personally. The other thing that you should do is, if you've looked at the validity and it is valid, and you've looked at the enforceability and the lender is in a position to enforce, you should engage with the lender. Take some advice, then engage with the lender to see if you can reach a settlement. What you shouldn't do is ignore the lender. This will only lead to potential court proceedings and further costs and interest. If you're looking at personal guarantees or your potential liability under personal guarantees before the insolvency of the company, it's very important that you don't give in to the temptation to discharge debts which you have personally guaranteed in preference to other debts which the company owes. All this will do is push the problem further down the line. Whilst it may satisfy the lender, it is almost certain to result in a position where, upon the insolvency of the company, the insolvency practitioner will pursue you for having preferred certain debtors.